So if Sony was to follow a similar pattern to what they did with the first Venom film, we could expect something at the upcoming CinemaCon Expo. Unfortunately, Sony will not be at CinemaCon, but some people believe they will still start showing off Venom 2. So originally, when it came to the first Venom film, we saw the first teaser trailer on February 8th of 2018. Now, of course, that was way ahead of schedule. They didn't really have much to show. We don't see Venom in his full form or anything. It was very different. Now, right now, obviously, we are closer to Venom 2 than when the original teaser hit for Venom 1. So there's been a lot of speculation on what Sony is going to start doing with the advertising for this film, as it's taken a different approach. Now, if we really think about it, there's of course CinemaCon coming up, and people have said that Sony's going to show up there, although Sony did announce that they're not attending CinemaCon this year again, as they don't have enough to show. So it takes that out of the question. Now, realistically, going into the summer and spring, they could wait for Morbius and show it there, but Morbius is coming out a little too late. Waiting all the way till Morbius comes out would probably be counterintuitive, considering it's in the middle of the summer. And again, they're coming out right at the end of summer into the fall, so again, that doesn't make sense. Would a tie-in and something that is in front of Black Widow work? More than likely. And again, this would make sense if they want to keep up the same momentum and start hyping up people for their content. And it would be, a little bit of a behind schedule to what Venom 1 was doing, but again, Venom 1 was an unsure thing. 2 has everything going for it, although it has a few problems standing in its way, which we're not going to get into here due to what's happening around the world. So thinking about it this way, I think when you look at Venom 2, there is a very likely scenario that we're going to get the first teaser trailer right before Black Widow so they can attach it to that film, because that's the crowd they want to target again. And again, if that is their goal, it makes sense to try to get it in there, and then you can have it with all the films in the summer leading into Morbius. Morbius, you attach the first big official trailer like they did with Venom 1 in the middle of the summer, and then you kind of ride that hype into the fall for your release. That's realistically more than likely how they're going to do it. So they're not attending CinemaCon, but content is coming.